Hey, how's it going, beautiful people? It's been a long time. I first want to apologize about the inconsistency in the past weeks, but I wanted to share today a platform that I've been using for a while to monetize my blog or blogs, and a platform that you can use in combination with Adsense to actually earn a lot of money. Now, depending on your traffic on your blog, and it's called Newor Media. I'm going to put the link down below of Newor Media that you can click to join. It's free to join, but they're very selective. And I switched from Ezoic to Newor Media just to try it out, and I never switched back to Ezoic so far. Here are my reasons. If you look at how much I am earning per day with Newor Media, and just for my site, one site, the MMsExperience.com, which is this one, I am earning about $3 on average, around $3.50, sometimes $5, sometimes close to $6 a day. And with just how many impressions? Just 1,000 impression, not clicks, not views, just impression on the ad. So their ads are very high quality, and in combination of that, I am using AdSense on my site as well, meaning with AdSense and Newor Media on my site, I am earning close to $6 and $7 a day, which is double of what I was earning putting Ezoic on my site alone. Now, hear me out. My site has also been faster than before because after I switched and I tested my site on GT metrics, now I have a better, faster performance, better vitals for my site, and things are just very, very fast. And I don't know why with Ezoic my site was a bit slow. I'm not bashing Ezoic in this video, and I'm not telling you to switch from Ezoic to Newor Media, but I just tried it out and I really like it. The reason why I tell you Newor Media is really good and I want you to try it out, two reasons. One, they only require to put 6 ad spot on your site. So if I come here on my site, any of my site that you will see, if you come, for example, if you open any blog post on my site, let's say for example this one, this is what you have. You have one ad here. This is a Newor Media ad. You have one of their ad here, 2, that's 3, and that's 4, and this is I believe this is 5, and this is 6. The rest of ad are AdSense ad. This is an AdSense ad. Same here. Another ad that you will see probably at the end, this is an AdSense ad. On the sidebar, I've also put an AdSense ad right here. So and even here, you understand that my traffic has actually increased. The number of visitors has increased because my site is faster, but also I am earning a lot more with 2 sources. I am able to combine 2 sources. They only require 6. That means it allows me to put AdSense ad to fill up the spot, meaning I am earning $3 on average on AdSense, or $2.50, sometimes $4, and over here as well I am earning like $3. And the second reason is because I feel like it's better than some of the alternatives out there. This is another platform or ad network that I'm using to monetize another blog, and what I am earning with this one is much lower than what I'm earning with Newor Media for the same amount of impression, even more impression. Pay attention to this. Here the ad CPM is it's called value impression, and they allow low quality publisher as well as high quality publisher, and your traffic, they don't have restriction on your traffic. I'm also going to put the link down below of value impression. If you're a small publisher, check it out. Their ad CPM is kind of low compared to Newor Media, and for example, for 2,000 impression, I am only earning $1.19, meaning about 58 cents per 1,000 impression. Meaning if you come here and you look at, for example, what I am earning for just 1,000 impression with Newor Media is $3, $3.69, close to $4. Whereas here with 2,000 impressions, I am only earning $1, just to show you the power of the platform. I don't know how they do it, because they don't even require a lot of ads on your site. Only 6 ad spots on your site that you have to put, and they give you this high CPM, and you can use in combination with Adsense. Now if I do a quick comparison, right, with a 1 month that I was earning with Ezoic, for example, January of this year, I was earning like $1.89, $2.69, sometime $1.58. It was around $1 to $2, right? $2.50. And you can see that per month it was about $66 for 30 days. With Newor Media plus Adsense, I am earning about, $6 or $7 a day. Let's say even $6 conservative. $6 times 30, that's 180. With like 30 days on Ezoic, you can earn, my blog was earning 68, 70, 80, but this one is earning almost double. Oh, more than double actually. So again, I'm not bashing, these are facts that I am showing out here. Then this is February with Ezoic, 68 again. This is March with Ezoic, 73. It's true that over time it increases, but it's still much less than what I'm earning with Adsense and Newor Media combined. Now, Ezoic is a great platform because it allows a lot of small publishers to have a shot at monetizing their website. Their requirement is even much less than 10,000 monthly views. I think they reduce it to maybe like 5,000, something like that. So if you're a small publisher, give it a shot with Ezoic. As you grow, you can try out other platforms. If you don't like it, you can still come back to Ezoic. My account is still active. I'm just not monetized right now, but I can still turn off the other ads and come back to Ezoic anytime. So you have a lot of room to play with those ad network. Find out which one is best for you and stick with it. I have already covered an in-depth review of Newor Media and showing you how to implement it on your site, showing you how to sign up, what are the conditions to be approved. So if you go on my channel and you click here on home, this is the video right here, or on the videos, you scroll down, this is the video right here. Okay, here's why I'm leaving Adsense and Ezoic for good. This is the video. I'm going to put that video down below. Click on the video, watch it fully. It's going to walk you through step by step on how to sign up and actually how to be approved, implement ads on your site, every single thing. Now, if you go also on my website, the MMsExperience.com, which I'm going to put the link down below, if you scroll down on the home page, this is also talks about some of the ways that you can monetize your blog and some of the requirements to join Newor Media. Now, they only offer 6 ad units and they require you to at least put 2. So they offer 6, but you can only, the minimum that you need to put on your site is 2. So you can put 2 placeholder there and fill up the rest with Adsense. You can put all of 6 and fill up the rest with Adsense. Your website should be in English. Sorry, if you have your website in another language like Hindi or like French or whatever, you're probably not going to get approved. And most of your traffic has to come from the US, and I believe they also require a minimum of 30,000 monthly visits, okay, on your site to be able to be approved. Now, if you think you have that high quality site, okay, I highly suggest you, and you're monetizing your site maybe with other platform, turn off the ads there, try it out with Newor Media. If you like it, then you can stay. If you don't like it, then you can still move. And as I said, because it's used in combination with Adsense, you control basically how many ads you want to put on your site. You control how much money you want to earn depending on the amount of ads you put on your site. Highly suggest it. High quality ad regardless of your niche. Now, I don't want to make this video too long. I hope that was helpful. All the links are down below and also on my website, the MMsExperience.com. Until next time, I want you to take good care of yourself. Good luck monetizing your blog posts. I love you guys. Peace.
And don't forget to smash like and subscribe. Thank you.